Hello everyone, welcome to Easy French. Well, thank you for subscribing our channel, and if it's not done, subscribe it now to learn French in a very easy way. Now in this video we are going to learn about the fruits, and they are called les fruits. Apple, and that is called pomme. Pomme. Mango, that is mong. Mong. Pineapple, and we call it ananas. Ananas. Banana, and that's banan. Banan. Cherry, and that is called cerise. Cerise. Strawberry, in French we call it fraise. Fraise. Muskmelon, and that is called moulon. Moulon. Grapes, and that is raisin. Raisin. Orange, we call it orange. Orange. Papaya, that is papaye. Papaye. That's papaya. Watermelon, and that's called pastèque. Pastèque. Pear, and that is poire. Poire. Guava, in French it is called goyave. Goyave. Tomato, and we call it tomate. Tomate. A lemon, and that is called citron. Citron. Pomegranate, and that's called grenade. Grenade. Raspberry, that's framboise. Framboise. Lychee, it's like English lychee. Lychee. Plums, and that is called prune. Prune. And the last here is peach, and that's called pêche. Pêche. So these are all the common fruits what we find in our surroundings. In the next video we'll come up with the vegetables. Well, to learn French step by step and in an easy way, if it's not subscribed, subscribe it now. And yes, a big thank to all our subscribers who have already done it. Till the next video, goodbye and happy learning French.